Like a Hellcat.
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Elytra in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So here are the things you're going to need. And by the way, at the end of this, you're going to be a pro of how to do this. So the first thing you're going to need is some feather falling boots preferred, and then okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put them on. So okay guys, now that we have them on, I'm going to teach you how to do this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go all the way back you can, so you don't fall off. Okay. And make sure if you want to, you can sprint or not, like try. Since you won't go too bad. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to sprint, press the jump button, then when you're falling, hold the jump button. So I'll demonstrate this real quick. So sprint, jump, and hold. And boom, you just flew with Elytra. So yeah guys, that's basically all you have to do. It's basically really easy. All you have to do is basically sprint, jump, and then hold down your jump button, and that's basically how you glide through the air. Now this isn't one with fireworks, but it's better to just do it like this. I think preferred. So yeah, I can even do this if you want, so I can show you it's really faster. So let me go back. Okay, so sprint, jump, and glide. And boom, as you can see, I literally just flew right there. And yeah guys, this can be done in survival too. Just make sure you have the feather falling boots preferred, because if you fall down, you may die. So just preferred, don't have to, but it's always better to. But yeah guys, anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah guys, I will see you next time. Peace out.